Ciao a tutti da Luca, channel Dolce Vita, and this is the new playlist, Everyday Italian 100 Useful Expressions. So today we're going to learn something useful that concerns health. Stay with me. Allora, as you can tell by my voice, I got a bit sick. No big deal, but I caught a bit of a cold. So in English, you can tell people, I got sick, I have a cold. The same sentence in Italian would be translated as mi sono ammalato, ho il raffreddore. Mi sono ammalato, ho il raffreddore. And if you were a woman, you would say mi sono ammalata. Mi sono ammalata, ho il raffreddore. Okay, it's very easy. I hope you will not need to use this sentence that often, but just in case, it's good to know. Keep in mind that I want to make more videos with your sentences, so please write down a sentence that you would like me to translate for you. I will do it ASAP. Okay, comment, please share, and keep in mind that we have other playlists that you should also watch, probably before Everyday Italian. I'm talking about Italian in 30 days. I'll see you very soon back on this channel, Dolce Vita. Ciao ciao.